Hi everyone, welcome to Power BI Playbook. So today I'm going to show you how to create a button slicer in Power BI. So let's see how we can do that, and this will be a very small tutorial. My data source has countries listed here, and in here first you add a slicer and then add the countries to the field, so then it will be displaying the checkboxes as the country. Now the important setting that we set, we select this one, go here, format, and the slicer settings style, there's a tile setting. So then you can get the buttons for selecting the countries or the values in the slicer. So this is how you can create a button slicer in Power BI, and keep in touch for more Power BI videos. Thank you.